Hey guys, wagwan, welcome back to the channel. So today we're just gonna ride the scooter right here. So it's not mine, it's for my friend. Shout out to Ken for lending me this. So it's about $2,000 for this, and it's going real fast. You have a dual motor, you have a motor in the front, one in the back. You have a disc brake in the back also, and a disc brake in the front. You have suspension, you have a shocks in the front and shocks in the back, and it look like it's a mini coilover, so you can raise it or lower it or tighten the springs up. You can do all that if you want. Right here is the charge port. You have some light right here, and you even have a key to operate it. Now it's in kilometer, and you have 3 different gears. So the gears are basically the power output you want. You have gear 2 and gear 3. In gear 1 you have this right here, and right here you have eco mode, and you have single or dual motor. If you want to save battery, if you go on a longer trip, you can do and single. That will save battery for you. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go for a ride. I'm gonna try a different mood and see how fast it goes. I ride it already, and guys, I can tell you it feels real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna get to riding this bad boy right here. So I have on my motorcycle helmet just so I can hold the GoPro, get the kickstand up, key on. We're in gear 1, and you can it feel like you want to wheelie. Definitely the front will spin on you, so it feels real good. So, and the brakes is real sharp. So so first gear stopped out at, let me see, stopped out at 31 kilometer. I don't know how much in miles that be. I will try to remember, put it up in miles. So it topped out at 31 kilometers. So let's see, 2. And it goes up to 30, it goes up to 40 kilometer. Wow, 40 kilometer on this in such a short time. You definitely need some protective gears. There go my shutter right there. Like every time you hit it, the front will feel like it wanna do a wheelie. So I'm gonna go get a nice little stretch on the road. And the suspension feels real good too. Alright, nice little stretch, let's get it. And it's going 50 kilometer. So it goes to 50 kilometer in gear 3. So it's definitely running. Let's see how I take this bump right here. Suspension work really good. So I'm gonna try it put it in 3rd gear. So now we're in 3rd gear. Let's see how this goes. Take this runabout right here. see. There's a car behind me. 50 kilometers. 51. I don't even think I was holding up traffic with that. So it feels real good, guys. I must try to go. So the brakes will lock up too. So the brakes are good, they're really sharp. So you have one lever right here, and this lever controls the front brakes and the rear brakes. They hold them at the same time, so that's real good. And there go the popo. So we're gonna make a U-turn. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Help me grow. Peace out. See you next time.